how to make CFL contraption. Oh, I'm recording it. 3-piece connector box, $2. 3 connectors, $1 a piece at Walmart. Connector, double connector, $2 at Home Depot. 6 light bulbs, $1 a piece at Walmart. I'm gonna put it together for y'all real quick. Little connector. There's a little connector right here. Plug them in. 1, 2, 3. Plug them in. Okay, easy. Screw the double connectors. Screw them in like this. Look at this masterpiece already coming together. Fuck. Alright, right there. Put together. 3 connectors. Look at now, you can put 6 light bulbs. Take your CFLs. These are only 23 watts. Ooh, I think I cracked it. Oh, fuck it. In. In. And okay, let's see what. Look at. See that? I can't really. You need an extension cord to plug it in. You can't plug it into the wall. But that costs about $20 total. And you lay it flat like that. Hang it over your plants, you can do about 20.